In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Adobe Firefly subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way, so you can cancel with confidence and avoid surprises. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. This makes it easy to find the official site without needing to remember the exact URL. In the results, look for the official Adobe Firefly website. It should be the one hosted on firefly.adobe.com. Click that link to open the site. Once you're on the Firefly homepage, go to the upper right corner and click your account icon. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be prompted to log into your Adobe account. Use the credentials associated with the subscription you want to cancel. It's important to make sure you're on the correct account, especially if you have multiple Adobe profiles. After opening the account menu, click Manage Account. This will take you to your Adobe account page, usually at account.adobe.com, and it may open in a new tab. If you're asked to verify your identity, complete that step so you can access your plan details. On the Adobe account page, find your Firefly plan and click Manage Plan. If you have more than one plan, select the one specifically tied to Firefly before proceeding. If you don't see the plan, double-check that you're signed in with the correct email and that you're viewing the right region or profile. Next, click Cancel Your Plan. At this point, Adobe typically shows a few screens to confirm your choice. You may be asked why you're canceling or offered alternatives, such as changing plans. Read any messages carefully, especially if you're on an annual plan, as there can be early termination fees depending on your billing cycle and the time remaining. You'll also see the final date your access will end and whether any refund or charge applies. Before you finalize, consider any content or settings you want to keep. If you've stored assets linked to your Adobe account, make sure they're backed up elsewhere so you don't lose access later. When everything looks correct, proceed through the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation. Once you've finished, you should receive a confirmation email from Adobe. Keep it for your records. You may retain access until the end of your billing period, and in some cases you can still use limited Firefly features on a free tier, and if you change your mind, you can always return to the account page to reactivate or adjust your plan. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Adobe Firefly subscription smoothly.